Hey everyone, Lap here. I'm right here in the office, is working away. Sorry, the glasses. Anyways, uh, I've been getting a lot of questions about what affiliate marketing is. I thought I'd do a little quick video explaining what it is. Um, it's very simple. Not much to talk about. Basically what it is that you go find a offer that you would like to promote. Let's say, um, like the classes that I just took off right now. You can affiliate those. Let's say these are um, $20. They are $20, and you recommended to somebody with a link that Amazon gives you on their affiliate platform, and if that person uses your link to purchase those glasses, you get a percentage. Now I'm not sure what the percentage is on those glasses, but hypothetically, so let's say like they give you like 5% or something, like you get like $1 or $2. That's basically how it is. Of course, the glasses is a lot more of a low ticket item that you can get commission for. There's a lot of stuff you can affiliate. Anything you can think of, glasses, this hat, this shirt, this sweater, maybe somebody's course that you would like to get, and it's like that course is like $1,000, and they give you like 25% of that course. That's $250. So there's high ticket items, there's high ticket and there's low ticket here. It just depends on what you like. That's basically the concept of affiliate marketing. For some reason, a lot of people still get it confused what it is. What do you have to do? It does get pretty confusing pretty quick because people would be talking about how you should run ads to a specific place like Facebook or Instagram, YouTube, stuff like that, to get traffic going. Now, while that's right, you don't necessarily need to start from there. It's you can start off with some free traffic method, like just some general YouTube SEO or Instagram, follow unfollow. Facebook, you can just talk to people, stuff like that. I do have 100-day challenge that gives you all that training for free. So if you're interested in doing that, go ahead and leave a comment, and I'll reach out to you, and we can talk in details to figure out how you can get started on it. That's pretty much it on affiliate marketing. What it is, what it's for. So to recap, basically what it is that you go grab somebody's product from like a website or something. There is affiliate offers, platforms that you can go to, and you can sign up for them. For example, some of them are like Max Bounty or ClickBank, stuff like that. I will leave a description link in the description later. Once I have all my links when I get home. Right now I'm not home. I'm just doing a short video for you guys so you guys can kind of see what it is. If you have any questions about affiliate marketing in general, don't hesitate to contact me on Instagram, or just leave a comment below. I'm very I'll check it out. I'll make sure I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Okay. All right. I'm just checking outside. Looks like somebody was waving at me, but anyways, yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.